Now, welcome back to Bobcat. Not only did I have my High Point 995 with a red dot down here, also have my very expensive Mossberg International 715T, which is a $119 classic, and it has a Bushnell Trophy red dot. And we're going to go back to 50 yards and see if this red dot is still on. It used to be, so, but it's been a while. So we'll plink away down here and hopefully hit something. So we'll see. Now back here at 50 yards with my Mossberg 715T with a Bushnell red dot, and we're shooting ELEY target ammunition. And the first thing I did was destroy one round. And we destroyed another round. And that's off the road. I think I'm going to pause things here and oil this gun a little bit. Yeah, I did a little work on the gun, oiled it a bit, and we'll see if it runs better now. And that's all straight on that mag. And that's all that mag. Now I think I'll try to pick off some of the smaller ones down there. That'll be a bit more of a challenge. happened to that one? Didn't load. And that's all she wrote. Yeah, I'll say one thing for that gun, that red dot is on. Other than that, I wouldn't be hitting this stuff down here. So anyhow, thanks again for being down at the farm. It's again another beautiful day. Always fun to be out shooting. No matter what you're shooting. This time it was 22s, which are a little cheaper, and just fun to plink around with. So everybody take care.